Hey, so this video will show you how to add in a new login or worker, employee, whatever you want to call it, into your Inflatable Office account. Now, if you're looking to do this on a larger scale, send out kind of a mass invite so a lot of different people can sign themselves up and you can approve them as they come in. There's actually a different video for that, and the link is right beneath this one in the description here. So first off, if you have the workers module, that's essential to do this, but you're going to go over to logistics and workers. If you can click on this, you do have the workers module turned on in your account. So we're just going to click on add worker. Now there's a lot more to this process as far as filling out different details specific to this employee. Right now, we're just going to focus on just getting somebody created, added into the system so they can access the account here. So first off, we just want to have their name in there, and then I will make them a username and I'll set them a password. So that's the bare essentials. I'm not going to fill out any contact details or specify how their account's going to function and what positions they can fill right now. There's other training videos for that, and we're always more than happy to help you with that for one-on-one support. The most important thing is before I give somebody access into my permission or my account here is that I want to set their permissions. Okay, this is exactly what they can see and edit inside of my account. Okay, so the best way to start out with this is one of two things. Is I either want to start out with them all marked to none, so that would be no access in anything, or marked to full access. If this is somebody that's going to have a really limited job role, it's going to be less work for you to start out with these marked all to none, and then I can just turn on the specific parts of the program that you actually want them to access. So an example of this would be maybe I am adding in somebody that's just going to be doing manual labor for me as far as using our workers site, which is kind of a separate program here, the workers app, to look at packing lists, load vehicles, drive trucks, do things, field setups, everything like that. So I could type in workers site, and this is going to then show me the things that I might want them to be able to do. Like, should they be able to sign up for an open shift that they're eligible for? Should they be able to request off? Do I want them to be able to look at their packing lists? And again, we can go over all these permissions with you. This is just an example. Or maybe I have a website developer that I'm looking to have access into my account. I would definitely want them to have access to, the WordPress settings and possibly even my inventory, so they could write up descriptions for me and upload pictures or make certain tweaks there. So I could give them access to settings, rental inventory. That would be good for them. But if you already have a worker that in the future, this will be useful for you. If you already have a worker set up, that you're bringing on a new person and they're going to have exactly the same permissions. We do have this nice little feature built in where I can just copy permissions from another user. So I can say, hey, this person's going to have the same job role as Lazy Joe, and I could go ahead and save that. But either way, we've got the permission set. I've got the bare minimum information. I'm going to go ahead and save and close this page. And then once I do that, and I'm on my list of workers here, I will now see that John Smith is listed and he has access to log in now with the permissions I gave him. So any other questions you have, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to get set up with this and configure it all correctly. Thanks a lot.